every month, streaming, apps, software, memberships. It starts small and then suddenly you're paying way more than you realized. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix the subscription trap and take back control of your money. Step 1, make a complete list of every subscription you're paying for. Check your bank statements, credit cards, and App Store accounts. Don't rely on memory. Companies count on you forgetting. Now multiply each monthly subscription by 12. A $15 service becomes $180 per year. 5 subscriptions at that price, that's $900. Seeing the yearly total changes everything. Next, divide your subscriptions into 2 groups, essential and optional. Essential might include tools you use weekly or services tied to work. Optional includes anything you barely touch. Be honest here. If you haven't used a subscription in the last 30 days, cancel it today. Not tomorrow, today. You can always resubscribe later if you truly need it. Even for subscriptions you keep, turn off automatic renewal if possible. Set calendar reminders before renewal dates. This prevents surprise charges and forces a conscious decision. From now on, use the one in, one out rule. If you add a new subscription, cancel an old one. This keeps your total number stable instead of slowly increasing. Here's the most important step. Redirect the money you save into something productive. Savings, investments, or debt payments. Otherwise, that extra money will quietly disappear elsewhere. Subscriptions aren't bad, but unconscious subscriptions are expensive. When every payment becomes intentional, your finances become intentional too. So to fix the subscription trap, list everything, calculate the yearly cost, cancel what you don't use, manage renewals, and control new additions. Small monthly charges may seem harmless, but over time, yeah, they add up fast. Take control now, and your bank account will thank you.
If you've